I'm Chuck.
And I'm Lori.
And we're Kovaction Dronography.
And today we're at the Charlie C. Major Nature Trail in Skaneateles, New York.
That's right. We're going to check this out, take a little hike. I think it's about 2 miles long and it runs along where the old Skaneateles Short Line Railway was.
So come along with us.
I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here.
Okay, so supposedly on this trail there's supposed to be some ruins from the old railroad.
Oh, that'd be cool. Maybe we can pop the drone up for those.
I hear it. That's pretty.
Try it.
Girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around.
Alright, so we're on the trail and we found a shortcut to the brewery.
Skaneateles Brewing.
See? That way to the brewery. So let's go that way.
I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why? Why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love?
So right now we're about to go into Skaneateles Brewery. So come with us.
I need somebody. I need somebody.
Big spot.
Give me somebody, somebody to love.
So we're here at the Skaneateles Brewery and we're going to do a tasting.
We're going to try the Skinny Dipper Blonde, which is supposed to be light, and we're going to try it right now. Actually, I'm going to let you try it first. Be honest. No cheating.
It's a little malty, but I like it.
Let's see.
It is light. It's like a very it's a summery beer though.
It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me.
Alright, I'm taking the stick out because it's burger time. Big honkin' cowboy burger today with onion rings and barbecue sauce and bacon and good, I'm sure. Here we go.
Say it looks good.
Messy but good.
There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you.
Alright, next up is a sour called SHUPENDAGA. SHUPENDAGA.
And that one is a 6%.
It's SHUPENDAGA. Gesundheit.
I have to pee. It says peach and plum.
Yeah, I'm not saying anything to try it. I'm salivating.
It's a little bit maybe more sour than I usually
Yeah,
lean
it's maybe
towards.
maybe more sour. It's like a sweet tart, kinda. But I'm salivating from it, so it's definitely kicked up a bit.